Welcome. Today, we're diving into quality assurance and its crucial role in managing shelf life. I'm Dr. S.K. Singh, and together we'll explore the key considerations that ensure products stay safe and effective for as long as possible. Let's get started. Let's start with the basics. Shelf life management is a key part of quality assurance. It's how we make sure products stay safe, effective, and high quality for as long as they're on the market. To do this well, we rely on scientific stability testing, follow strict regulations, make decisions based on risk, and keep a close eye on quality over time. Our main goal: to guarantee every product meets its approved standards right up to its expiration date. When it comes to managing shelf life, there's a clear regulatory framework guiding us. Several key organizations set the standards, from the International Council for Harmonization to the World Health Organization. We also follow rules from the FDA in the US, the European Medicines Agency, and others like the Pharmaceutical Inspection Cooperation Scheme and India's Central Drugs Standard Control Organization. The bottom line: manufacturers have to establish shelf lives that are scientifically justified, backed by solid stability data, and continuously monitored for quality. Quality assurance plays a crucial role in managing shelf life. Before a product even hits the market, QA reviews stability protocols, approves studies, and verifies analytical methods. Once the product is commercialized, QA monitors stability data, tracks trends, and approves shelf life assignments. After launch, they manage ongoing stability programs, evaluate potential shelf life extensions, and investigate any stability failures. Ultimately, QA's responsibility is to ensure we maintain confidence that products stay compliant and safe throughout their entire shelf life. When we assign a product's shelf life, we rely on solid science stability studies that cover every angle. Chemically, we look at things like potency, assay results, and any breakdown products. Physically, we check appearance, dissolution, and moisture content. Microbiologically, sterility and preservative effectiveness are key. And functionally, we confirm the product still performs as intended. Quality assurance plays a crucial role, making sure all this data truly supports the shelf life we propose. Quality assurance plays a crucial role in making sure everything follows the approved protocols and regulatory guidelines. Take a tablet product, for example. We run long-term studies at controlled temperatures and humidity, like 25 degrees Celsius plus or -2, with 60% relative humidity. Accelerated studies push those conditions higher to 40 degrees and 75% humidity. QA oversees the entire stability study program, from approving protocols and justifying batch selection, to monitoring storage conditions, sampling plans, test frequency, and ensuring data integrity throughout. We're looking at the ongoing stability program, a crucial part of keeping products safe and effective over time. Regulatory agencies expect continuous monitoring of commercial batches to make sure everything stays on track. The main goals here are to confirm that the approved shelf life is still valid, catch any new stability trends early, and spot any manufacturing variability. Typical quality assurance activities include reviewing stability protocols annually, approving which batches get tested, monitoring stability chambers, evaluating data trends, and investigating any unusual results that pop up. Let's look at the quality assessment for our product over time. We see a clear downward trend in assay values, but importantly, the product stays within specification for up to 36 months. Beyond 48 months, the risk of failure increases as the assay dips below acceptable limits. Based on this data, the decision is to keep the approved shelf life at 36 months, ensuring safety and effectiveness throughout that period. This example shows how stability testing guides our shelf life decisions. When it comes to managing quality risks in shelf life decisions, the International Council for Harmonization gives us clear guidance. Quality assurance needs to carefully evaluate several factors, like the product type, how it's administered, its stability profile, and how it degrades over time. We also have to consider the patient population using the product. Some products, like sterile injectables, vaccines, biologics, and ophthalmic products, carry higher risks. These require stronger, more rigorous shelf life controls to keep patients safe. Packaging plays a crucial role in keeping products stable over time. When we talk about quality assurance, there are several key factors to consider. The container needs to stay tightly sealed, protecting against moisture, oxygen, and light, all of which can degrade the product. It also has to withstand the bumps and jolts of transportation. Take soft gelatin capsules, for example. In a PVC blister, their shelf life is about 18 months. But switch to an alu-alu blister, and that jumps to 36 months. Our job is to make sure packaging truly supports the approved shelf life. When it comes to handling stability failures, we're looking at several potential issues, like assay reduction, impurity increase, dissolution failure, sterility failure, and changes in appearance. Each of these can impact product quality and safety. That's why our quality assurance team follows a thorough investigation process. It starts with deviation initiation, then root cause analysis, impact assessment, CAPA implementation, and finally, regulatory evaluation. The goal here is clear: prevent these problems from happening again and keep patients safe. When it comes to extending shelf life or deciding on retest periods, quality assurance plays a key role. They look closely at new data before making any changes. This means running additional stability studies, analyzing trends, and assessing risks. Of course, regulatory approval is needed where it applies. For example, if an active pharmaceutical ingredient originally has a 24-month retest period, but new stability data shows it's stable for 36 months, the retest period can be extended, but only after thorough scientific and regulatory review. Quality assurance plays a crucial role in making sure all stability-related records are trustworthy and intact. To do this, we rely on the ALCOA Plus principles. These guide us to keep data attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, accurate, complete, consistent, enduring, and available. Every decision about shelf life hinges on this reliable data. And to stay on track, we follow guidance from key authorities like the FDA, WHO, and the MHRA. This ensures our processes meet the highest standards worldwide. Let's talk about the latest trends in shelf life management within quality assurance. Digital transformation is reshaping how we handle stability, from electronic stability management systems to AI-based forecasting. Predictive analytics and digital twins help us anticipate issues before they happen. The benefits: early detection of risks, better shelf life predictions, less product waste, and stronger regulatory compliance. QA is no longer just reactive. It's becoming a proactive, predictive force in ensuring product quality. Let's wrap up with the key takeaways on quality assurance responsibilities in shelf life management. QA ensures that shelf lives are scientifically justified and backed by ongoing stability programs. It keeps a close eye on product quality trends and manages any risks related to stability. Compliance with regulations is non-negotiable, and above all, QA protects patient and consumer safety. By combining science, risk management, packaging controls, and data integrity, a strong QA system guarantees products stay safe and effective throughout their entire life cycle. Thanks for joining me today. If you want to dive deeper or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I appreciate your time and attention. It's been a pleasure sharing this with you. Take care, and I look forward to connecting again soon. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.